Welcome back to the Semrush use case series, and today we're going to be talking about how to improve your content before publication. My name is Deepak Shukla, the Managing Director at Pearl Lemon. That's me as well, and this is the only guide you need to figure out how to take your content to that next level using, you guessed it, Semrush.
Right, my SEM rushers. Let's talk about how to improve your article before publication using the awesome SEO writing assistant tool from SEMrush. So if we jump on into here, what we want to do is immediately take a look at what we can quickly check using the SEO writing assistant tool. Now, what I love about this tool is it works within probably the three places that you tend to work from. Certainly, it's what we do as an agency at Pearl Lemon, which is within SEMrush, within Google Docs, as well as WordPress. So I'm going to run over to our Google Docs and I'm going to jump into an article that we've got here. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that we're doing. So as you can see, this was last edited yesterday by Lydia, our head of internal growth. So it's been currently worked upon. I even see some edits here already. And we're looking at the top SEO trends for 2021. So what you'd immediately be able to do is jump into the SEO writing assistant, which you can install via Google Docs. But what we're going to do is we're also going to pop this potentially into the SEO writing assistant tool within SEMrush itself as well. We'll go into here, we'll put the target keyword as being SEO trends 2021, and we've got the target locations, UK, England, London, where we're based, language is English. For our services, which are high ticket, we're looking at desktop searches, and we'll jump in and get the recommendations. The process is pretty much exactly the same with the SEMrush Writing Assistant tool in Google Docs. And we'll go ahead and open it up again, your recent recommendations, use this document, and as you'll see, the recommendations are outdated. I've already used in another document because I actually did this earlier. So what we'll do is we'll do SEO Trends 2020 and see what it brings up. So the tool is intelligent to recognize when recommendations have already been given, but what we can do is already looking at the SEO writing assistant tool, we can have a look at some of the scores that we're getting back. So fundamentally, let's have a look at this blow by blow. So this is a piece that's been written by the internal team. As you can see, in terms of readability, it's already saying split the long paragraphs. You've got quite long paragraphs here. It's not in line with what people actually look at when they're reading internet content at the moment. The article has no headline yet. Add it as a first paragraph. So that needs to be done there. So we put that into there. And as you can see, target keyword SEO trends 2021, you'll find that there's no actual mention. So I wanted to show you this tool specifically because it's a great example of all of the things that this tool would actually pick up. And as you can see, there's a lot of keywords here that it actually recommends you use within the actual piece of content because these are semantically related. Okay, these contextually in terms of meaning are related to the main target keyword, which is, as you can see just up here, the top SEO trends to watch in 2021. And it even allows you to download extended recommendations from the SEO content template. So we've got the alt attributes as well. There's an image in here, and surprise, surprise, there's no alt attributes in there. It's got the optimal number of links, as you can see, and all of the links in the document are actually correct. But this is the part that really is extremely powerful. So if we now go ahead and download this and open this document and also take a look at how the actual content template comes out itself. We'll go ahead and just open up this document. Brilliant. So as you can see here, it's got optimal title length, 55 characters. It's got optimal meta descriptions, and then it gives some examples of places we can acquire backlinks from, as well as a range of other rival content that are doing something similar, as you can see. So it's a fantastic way, and it even gives you the actual content that's been written on other pages. So very quickly, you're able to determine what you need to do within this actual piece of content to ensure that you're optimizing it as far and widely as you can. So there you go. That is the SEO writing assistant tool from SEMrush.
And yet you are still here. What are you doing? Get into the Semrush Writing Assistant right now and start telling me in the comments exactly what you figured out that you need to improve. I'm waiting to hear from you.